The next category is the best Kswap, and that goes to Kurt Wong with the red Civic.
Guys, as you guys have seen in the first section of this video, I took the Civic to the car wash and then drove straight to Killarney. Parked the Civic, took an Uber home. The idea was to actually take a nap.
Yes, wake up, wake up!
However, a friend of mine at the door insisted that we go back early so that we can polish up the Civic. I do want to say a massive thanks to the door for actually assisting me with polishing the Civic. The Civic looked amazing.
Oh my god! Wow!
Then without further ado, let's continue this video. before I do end this video, I do want to say a massive thanks to HDAY for organizing such an awesome event. For you guys that do not know, HDAY has actually been coming on since 2017, and I've actually attended all the events, as well as I have won an award pretty much at most of the events, as well as the EV has also been used in multiple different flyers. Then I also do want to thank HDAY for awarding the Civic for best Kswap.
The next category is the best Kswap, and that goes to Kurt Wong with the red Civic.
So I was actually not expecting that. As you guys know, it's the Civic's debut, as well as I pretty much revealed the car to you guys in person there.
3, 2, 1.
A lot of you guys actually did not know that it was my car, and it was actually cool to see you guys admire the car not knowing that it was actually mine, and when you guys found out, you guys were amazed. Then I also do want to thank each and every one of you guys for actually making it possible for me to actually buy the Civic. It's been an amazing car. Then I also do want to end off this video by thanking all the friends as well as sponsors that have assisted me with the Civic for HDAY. One of the people will obviously be Dane, always assisting me with fitting parts as well as spraying parts, as well as a new sponsor called Hussein, who actually sponsored us the paint for the Civic. And then also a long-time sponsor, Uzair at Auto Color Creation, for sponsoring us a product called Flex Agent, which we have been testing for them. And then also I do want to thank Lincoln at J Performance for taking out most of his day to assist us with putting an exhaust on the Civic, which you guys will be seeing in a future video. And then also do want to thank each and everyone that came up to me and came to say hi. It was cool to meet you guys and cool to take photos with you guys. But I'm going to end up this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do like and subscribe. Peace. Yo guys, so in the previous racing sim videos, I got a lot of positive feedback. So moving forward, I'm going to plan on trying to make some more content for you guys with regarding the racing sim. So in today's video, I'm pretty much going to move everything that's on this side over to this side. And the reason for that is maybe in future I plan on getting a bigger TV, and I feel like this hall might be way better than this small hole. And then later in this video, maybe just set up the sim for you guys and show you guys some more runs on the sector course. So if you ever plan on fitting a TV, what I recommend doing is get the measurement from where the bracket goes onto the wall to the bottom of the TV. Then when you have that measurement, you just decide on where you want the TV, for example, like this line over here. And then you just measure up there, make a line over there, and this is pretty much where the bracket needs to go. So as you can see, there's the marking that I made. That is how low the TV is going to sit. And then you just need to use a level to make sure that the bracket is level. Then you also just need to mark where you want the holes to be drilled. guys, so this is pretty much the setup. I know this thing is very janky. Like I said before, I plan on actually getting the mount for the seat. I also tried to save the video for you guys to show you guys on screen, but it doesn't allow me to as well. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little sim setup update. Hopefully in the next video I'll be getting that mount for the shifter as well as possibly a bigger TV. But anyway, I'm going to end of this video here. Please do like and subscribe. Peace.